y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Young back in the building. If you are not subscribed, please make sure that you hit that red subscription button right now before we even get started. Hit that button. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, so I need your help to do that. Hit that button, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. So we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial today. All right guys, so my face is already washed and moisturized. It's actually kind of glowing right now. I don't know if that's just the light or what it is, but yes, come on skin. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is start with my eyebrows. I'm using this short little guy right here, and I'm using my Tame and Frame, basically my fake Anastasia, in the color Expresso. This is just like a regular brow pomade, and if you don't want to spend $25 on Anastasia, you can get this, and it literally is the same thing. When my face is really greasy, I feel like my eyebrows go on the best. I don't know why that is, but I kind of like it. Alright, next I'll be doing my foundation. I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty in the color 340 Pro Filter foundation. This foundation, a little bit goes a long way. You literally need like 2 pumps and you're good. Alright, I'm using my Airspun loose face powder in the color Honey Beige to set my eye. I got a phone call when I was doing my highlight and contour, but both of those were whoa, completely lost my train of thought, were LA Girl Pro Concealers. I'll put the colors down below, but Warm Honey and Mahogany. So the Mahogany, as you can see, like you kind of have to cut it with the contour a little bit because this is very pigmented and it like a little bit goes a long way with this. So use this like just a little bit, don't use a lot because you'll be blown and you'll be trying to like recover. Let's see what we're gonna do with our eyes. So I tried this eye look the other day. It's so annoying because every time I do my makeup really good and I'm not filming, I just do it so good. Like it'd be so cute. And I feel like when it comes to me and eyeshadow, it's like I'm gonna get lucky type of thing. Like it's not always a go. So yeah, that's always irritating, but I'm gonna try to recreate that look today. So I'm gonna be using my Coastal Scents Reveal 2 palette. This is hella old. When I first started watching YouTube videos and tutorials, this girl was using this, and that was a long ass time ago. But I don't use eyeshadow that often. I just started really using it this year, so it looks like I've had it for like a day, but I've had it for years. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use this brown color just as like a base slash transition color. The next step, I'm gonna use this color. I wish they had the names. I like when I can say like, I'm using so-and-so and the color. And I'm just like, I'm using the red. But they don't have names. So I'm using this color. And I'm going to create like a smoky eye. I'm using the same kind of fluffy brush. I'm gonna pack it a little bit before I start blending. So I'm going to use this kind of like purple sparkly color and go over that spot I just did. I'm going to take this kind of like light pink shimmer color. I'm gonna mix these and pack that on my lid. Just gonna take a big fluffy brush and kind of softly blend everything. Ooh, we are getting dramatic, people. We are getting dramatic. Okay, so I really don't want to do too much. We're gonna do a very chill under eye just to create a little bit of depth. I think I'm going to use the like lighter version of this, so I'm gonna use this one. Okay. Okay. We coming together. We coming together. It's coming together, y'all. We doing it. We doing it. Next. Lashes. Alright, my lashes are on. And I am gonna do a little bit of mascara. I am one of those girls that puts mascara on my lashes. It'd be like that sometimes. My blush palette is so sad right now because I've dropped it so many times. So one left, but it gets the job done. Blush is, oh my goodness, blush is like one of my favorite kinds of makeup. I just love it. Just warms up your face. I don't know why I love blush so much. I always thought that blush was like, you know, when I was younger, I didn't think that black girls wore blush, but we definitely do, and we definitely killing that shit. The last step, actually there's 2 steps left. The next step will be my highlights. This was also a little Sephora gift. Still kicking. Do a little on the nose. A little some slide over here. I like to do this little guy. Ooh, I bet you it's glowing. On your best. On your best. I'm gonna do like a neutral lip, just because this is a lot of eye for me. So I'm gonna do a brown liner. Then we're gonna do a nude lip. This is from ColourPop. It's the color Shy. This is the Sephora lip gloss. This is the color Earth Angel. It's like a pretty light pink. Look at that. I didn't bronze. I kind of want to do that. So I have this Kat Von D like powder foundation that my old boss gave me because she thought it matched me, but it's actually way too it's too dark and too orange, so I use it as a bronzer. This is the color Deep 71. So I like to just bronze it up. Alright guys, this is the conclusion of my look. I hope you guys like what you see. I don't know what to call this look. If you have a cute name to call this look, comment it down below. If you recreate this look, tag me on Instagram. I want to see pictures of you guys recreating this look right here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.